Hello, my name is Alvin Curry, and welcome. I choose my economy. Thank you for joining me here today. I'm going to have a little quick conversation about my economy versus the economy. As I walk through this life on a daily basis, I hear a lot of things in social media, hear a lot of things on the news feed that talk about the economy and what shape it is for individuals. And then I hear people, they interview and they'll say things like, well, the president is doing a bad job, the economy is #1 in the political arena today, and all those things. Here's my thought. My thought is, do we really know the difference between my economy and the U.S. economy? Based on statistical facts, this president is doing a better job with the economy, the U.S. economy, than other presidents in time past have. We have the lowest unemployment rate. We have stock market at a record high. The GDP is continually growing on a daily basis. And what we call inflation is coming down. But now, when we go to your economy or my personal economy, when I go down to the grocery store to buy food for my family to eat, now that bill, that grocery that I used to could pay $50 for, now may cost me $75 to $80. Or what I used to buy for $100 may now cost me $150 to $200. I used to buy a gallon of gas, and it may have been $2 to $2.50. Now that gallon of gas is $3.50, perhaps even $4 in some places. So that affects my economy. But the U.S. economy, again, is in the best shape that it has ever been. So why don't we have a conversation about my economy versus the U.S. economy? And how do I choose to effectively make my economy work for me? So, if you'd like to know more about Alvin Curry and what we're talking about here today, go to trustalvincurry.com and you can learn more about me. You can see videos of people who have made their economy work for them and how we can help you to have your economy work for you. Thank you.